I am always on the hunt for a great hard-shelled carry-on. And if you guys have been fans of this channel for a while, then you know the features that I love on a bag. It needs to be clamshell. It needs to be internationally sized. I love compression on the inside. It's just easier to pack with. Plus, if it's expandable, then I can shop on my travels. So if a bag has all of these features, plus it's affordable, how could I possibly say no to that? So today I'm going to be reviewing a brand new carry-on from BagSmart. And I'm sure you guys have heard of BagSmart products. I'm sure you honestly probably own some. When it comes to affordability, BagSmart is a huge company for travel accessories, but now they made the Getaway Carry-On, and I think this might be one of their best products yet. So in today's review, I am going to go over all of the details, the outside of the bag, the inside of the bag, and of course, I will do a packing example while I use a set of packing cubes from BagSmart, which even though they're compression cubes, I actually am so in love with them. So here it is. This is the Getaway Carry-On, and I got it in this beautiful sky blue color. Look at that glossy finish. I have to say at first glance, I am absolutely thrilled with all of the color matching on this bag. I think it is very, very beautiful. I'm a huge fan of color matching versus contrast. You know, the whole bag is sky blue, but then the zippers are sky blue and the handles and the wheels. It's just a feature that I prefer. So again, this is the sky blue color, but it does come in 4 additional colors. You can choose from French pink, shadow, steel blue, and porcelain. Very pretty colors. Before we go deep into the tour of this bag, let's quickly measure it in person just to confirm the size. And just so you know, we always have to include the wheels and the handles when measuring it. So the height is about 21.5. The width is just shy of 14, and the depth is about 9.25. And of course, we have to weigh it too. Not gonna lie, the weight I'm a little concerned with because it does say that it's over 8 pounds on the website, so I'm hoping that that's wrong. So it's currently empty and weighing in at 7.2 pounds, which is a whole pound lighter than what they said on the website. So I am thrilled. So I do have to say that this bag is going to be internationally sized, which is great. However, it does expand a couple of inches. So if you're going to expand your bag because you shopped a lot on vacation, do it on the way home. So let's take a look at the exterior features. The shell is 100% polycarbonate, and again, it has a glossy finish, which is beautiful. You have the BagSmart logo right here. It does have 5 horizontal grooves on the bottom of the bag, and on the front part of it, it does have this little design right here, more in a V shape, and the horizontal grooves go all the way around the bag on all 4 sides. You do have an easy grab side handle here, and of course an identical one on top, and they do have BagSmart written on them, but it's very subtle. Of course, on the back you do have the telescopic handle, and the button is on top. It is made of aluminum, and it does have 4 different heights to choose from. Here you have the tallest, the next one, the next one, and the next one. These wheels are actually very cool. I mentioned the color matching already, which is a wonderful feature, but these are 360 spinner wheels that are Glide Tech. And the cool thing about that is that they are impact resistant. The wheels have a built-in shock absorption spring, making your ride a little more smooth and stable. Of course, on the side, you do have a TSA lock. Set your code to whatever you want, lock it, put your code back on to be able to unlock it. And then of course on the other side you just have the zipper for that expansion like I mentioned. And I do love that when you expand it, you still have that color match. So speaking of the zippers, let's go ahead and open up the bag and look at the interior. And while we do that, we're going to pack the bag for a trip. I'm going to be using a 6-piece set of packing cubes from BagSmart that are new, but then I'll pack some other essentials as if I'm going on a trip. Now this is a new 6-piece compression cube set from BagSmart, and the collection is called Blast. The 6 pieces include 1 large compression cube, 2 medium compression cubes, 2 small compression cubes, and this drawstring bag, which you could totally pack your shoes in. You could use it for laundry. I do really love these cubes. 2 zipper pulls that actually open all the way around, making packing a lot easier. And then of course you have the compression zipper so that you can compress your bag down and save even more space. This color is called peyote. It's kind of a beige color, but they have 3 other colors besides this one, and they have a multicolor set, which I think is such a great idea. It's time to check out the interior, and I'm in love with it. You can see you have a compression side here and a covered side with pockets here. So let's dive deeper into this while we pack the bag. The lining is water resistant and stain proof, which is great. It's also gray, which I'm not thrilled with. I mean, most bags these days have a gray interior. I just wish companies used a little bit more color. That's all. So let's start with the compression side. You do have these 2 vertical straps here. This here is the compression pad. It is removable by releasing these snaps. You can see that the pad does have a zippered mesh compartment for flatter items, and the back is just that nice stain-proof, water-resistant material. Once we've reattached it, we'll just flip it over. And now this is obviously the back of the bag where the handles are. And we're going to use that handle space to pack some smaller items. This is where I always like to pack my flat iron and my travel umbrella. And on top of that, let's use 2 of our medium cubes from that packing cube set. 1 right down here at the bottom and 1 right here at the top. That is such a perfect fit. I'm so happy. This is why I love using packing cubes from the same company that made the suitcase, because I'm sure they made these thinking about how they were going to fit in their bag. Now, an interesting thing is that you have these 2 slim packing cubes. And not that I'm saying you need all of these, because if you're packing carry-on only, you shouldn't need all of these. We could very easily take this one out. What you could actually do is put these in vertically, and it fits just like that. I really, really like this set because of ones that are this size. I might even use these on my next trip. For the sake of the rest of the video though, we're going to put the medium one back in. Let's put the compression pad over, strap these in, cinch them down. And I don't know if you can tell from the camera, but this is an absolutely level compression down to the actual depth of the bag. But stay tuned. After we pack this side, we are going to expand this side and pack some more stuff. So on this side, we do have a full covering, which is so nice for our loose items that we're going to pack on this side. But what I really love are these 2 big spacious pockets. One is just a normal pocket with a zipper, and one is a waterproof pocket. See how it's see-through right there? Now you could put liquids in there, but I wouldn't do that when it comes to airport travel, because you need to keep those separated to go through TSA in a bag. What I would actually use this pocket for is a bathing suit. I would just put these in here. It's a perfect fit. If you are packing your bag to go home and your swimsuit is still a little bit wet, this is a great pocket to put it in. As for this pocket, let's just put a bunch of bras and underwear in there. So now let's open this up and see all of our packing space. There are no disruptions here whatsoever. Let's pack this side. So let's start with a pair of women's size 11 shoes. We're gonna put that right at the top. Now I could definitely use a shoe bag. I'm just using this as an example. And then I'm going to pack a book, toiletry bag, a purse, some sunglasses. And then you know what, maybe I'm being an overpacker and I'm going to use this and slip that in there, same packing it vertically. I have a lot of space for that. And I actually maybe even have a little bit more space on top, but because I put stuff in here, we're just gonna leave it that way. So we will go ahead and close it. It still is zipping pretty effortlessly. And there you have it. But of course, because this is an expandable bag, let's go ahead and pack a few more things in there to show you just how much more it can hold. You can see how much more it expands, but of course we need to fill it up. So now look at how much more space we have on this side. And what I like to use in my examples, I like to use the rugs that I got in Albania and North Macedonia, because this did really happen on a trip. I bought rugs and had to figure out how to get them home. Put that one there. Put that one there, compression over it. I've even brought home blankets from South America before. I bring home all sorts of stuff. And this is still really great, pretty much even with the bag. So now let's do it again. It's actually easier to close right now. And you can see the expansion. So what do you guys think? Pretty great bag for budget, huh? I am in love with the sky blue color, and all the other colors are fabulous too. Let me know what your favorite feature is, and is expansion a deal breaker for you guys? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're subscribed to our channel and follow us on Instagram. I'm heading on a trip very soon, and I always post my stories every day while I'm traveling so that you can feel like you're there with me. If you're interested in buying this bag, check the comments for a link. I will see you guys in the next video. Safe travels, happy travels. Bye.